5 kitchen scraps that kill plant pests in 24 hours. I'm your host, and on this channel we grow plants with zero budget. If your leaves are turning yellow or getting bite marks, this video is for you. Comment pests if you're facing this problem right now. See these holes? Every gardener faces this. But what if I told you the solution is sitting in your kitchen trash right now? 5 kitchen scraps that make pests disappear in 24 hours. No chemicals, no extra cost. Watch till the end for number 3. It works like magic. If this helped, share with one gardening friend. Subscribe for more zero budget tips. Which scrap will you try first? Comment 1 to 5 below. Kitchen scrap number 1: garlic peels plus 2 cloves. Garlic has natural compounds that pests hate. Step 1: crush 2 garlic cloves plus handful of peels. Step 2: soak in 500 milliliters water for 12 hours. Step 3: strain and spray on leaves, top plus bottom. Use 1 X per week in evening, best for aphids, spider mites, result pests, avoid the smell and leave your plant. 2 onion peel tea. Scrap number 2: onion peels you throw daily, rich in sulfur. Step 1: collect peels from 3 onions. Step 2: boil in 1 liter water for 10 minutes, then cool. Step 2: boil in 1 liter water for 10 minutes, then cool. Step 3: dilute 1 to 1 with water and spray. Use every 5 days. Best for whiteflies, thrips. Pro tip: smell is strong, but it vanishes in 2 hours. 3 banana peel fertilizer. Scrap number 3: banana peels. Strong plants equals fewer pest attacks. Step 1: cut peel into pieces, soak 2 days. Step 2: use that water for soil use every 10 days. Best for overall plant immunity. Strong dark green leaves equals pests don't like them. For neem leaves plus eggshells. Scrap for if you have neem tree nearby. Use 5 to 6 leaves plus crushed eggshells. Step 1: boil neem leaves 15 minutes. Step 2: mix with 1 TBSP eggshell powder. Step 3: spray weekly. Best for all types of leaf-feeding insects. Eggshells add calcium plus sharp texture, pests avoid. #5 orange peel oil. This is my secret weapon, orange peels. Step 1: soak peels in water for 24 hours. Step 2: mash them and strain. Add 2 drops of cooking oil. Step 3: spray on stems and under leaves. Use only when you see pests. Best for mealybugs, ants. Why it works: natural oils disrupt pest movement. My rose plant was full of mealybugs, gone in 1 day. 3 quick tips. 1. Always spray evening time. 2. Test on 1 leaf first. 3. Clean leaves with plain water after 6 hours. And remember, healthy soil equals healthy plants equals no pests. I made a free PDF 7 kitchen fertilizers, link in description. If this helped, share with one gardening friend. Subscribe for more zero budget tips.